EASHA AISHWARYA. I'm from Hyderabad. I've completed my B.TECH in 2024. I've joined the Qspiders in 2025 July. I'm joined in testing side. My Java and as well as manual was completed. Java is completed by Raghavendra sir and manual is completed by Hasni sir and JNTU sir. They both helped me a lot in subject wise and also given me backup classes and also grooming classes. In Qspiders, HRs also helped me in scheduling all the grooming sessions and also given me a lot of information about requirements and all the companies and also the questions. Thank you for Qspiders JNTU.